Okay, here's the deal. Today's objective is to just get started, and by the end of today's clip, we're going to create the workings of an MVP. And the idea of today is to solve my own problem, which is to generate an idea worth solving. And that idea, that problem that I'm having, is coming up with ideas that are valid enough to actually start. So every vibe coder has this issue. Where do I start? What do I solve? A lot of people will do different approaches with this. They say, start with your own problem, start with where you have some kind of expertise, what industry you're current in. Those are all great ways to go forward. However, I'm just going to look at the problem that's right in front of me. And today's idea is to think of software ideas and create a tool in which new vibe coders, people non-technical skills can jump on and use it to generate app and SaaS ideas that are in some way validated. So the reason why I'm thinking of this is because I had an idea of creating. I went the other direction. I went the other that I mentioned before, like using your own expertise in your own industry. I was going to create, this was months and months ago, I was going to create an app to be a therapy bot for salespeople, people that get rejected. I still think there's some merit to this app, but I kind of gave up halfway, and now I think the reason I gave up on that app was because I didn't feel that beyond myself it was going to be useful to people, and I was literally building an app just for myself. And then I also realized that ChatGPT and a custom GPT from their website was better than what I was building, so I just didn't want to make something that didn't have any inherent value. So starting over on a new idea, I want to solve that problem of new people vibe coding who just want their idea validated or to just find ideas that have validation. Now, I see a few people in this space that are doing this and doing it well. There's like Pat from Starter Story or Greg Eisenberg. They're doing great job of, finding a trend here and there, or even the company. I'll type it in right here. It's called. This is Greg Eisenberg's idea browser really. And while these are really good, he's got a good idea database. These are really good. Like I like this. It gives people a lot of really good ideas. I want to reimagine this slightly in a way that is more deconstructed. Like he's presenting the solution right away. I want to do one that starts with like a keyword or a phrase and then generates maybe 10 ideas off of that one problem. Like for example, if we find that there's some kind of trend, let's say like we go to Google Trend. Let's just see what is trending right now. We can go to this. It'll break down for us what's going on, what's trending now. So we click on this. Okay, so this guy named Bobby Sherman, right? Okay, 200K search volume. What's going on with Bobby? Okay, he's a teen idol of the 60s. Okay. Like even take the top trend right now and we create a SaaS or an app that's like an homage to Bobby. Now I don't know this guy wasn't part of my generation. I don't even know who this is, but if you can identify the people in the age group and the person in the avatar who would love Bobby, and then be able to take this trend, know those demographics, and then have an LLM pump out maybe 5, 10 different ideas that could potentially solve a problem for people. And the problem here might be that people want to celebrate nostalgically Bobby Sherman. So it would identify a problem from a trend, take that problem and present different solutions for that problem, or maybe find 5 or 6 different problems and then prevent 2 or 3 different solutions from that problem. Or we take the next thing here, New York City election results. That's trending right now, right? So we take that and then create a simple update for NYC results or Fever versus Storm. What is this? Let's see here. Okay, so you got basketball. But you get the idea. Why is Liver King trending right now? Why did he get back up on here? So Liver King was just arrested. Okay. So, maybe Google Trends isn't the right way to go. These are all very like newsy type of things, and maybe there is something to be done here. Um, but then there's tools like SEMrush, right? Like this is a tool marketers work with on a daily basis to identify what is it's essentially you're looking for markets. Find billions of keywords with AI insights, analyze backlinks and traffic potential, run technical audits, and track ranking. Let's try this thing for free. Let's see what SEMrush will do for us. It won't let me sign in with Google. What's going on? It's interesting. There we go. Okay. So projects let you keep up all of your website data in one place and track your progress. Don't know if I want to do that. SEO dashboard. What is this? Set up your first SEO dashboard to track website's visibility improvement over time. Sure. So, see what this is. Please correct your website name. Oh, it needs to be .com. Okay. No, not comma. There we go. All right. Let's see what comes up. So it gives you different scores, organic traffic, keywords. Hmm. Oh, they've got an updated thing here. Oh, that's cool. They show organic versus paid traffic. That's awesome. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So a lot of metrics on here. And some people's entire job is based around this one tool of finding the right SEO that's going to drive traffic to people's websites, the right backlinks to generate traffic flow to your website, right? And I just want this to identify problems. I want to be able to come on here and find what's keyword gap. This is me just learning shit. Tool that helps you compare your keyword profile with your competitors. Okay, let's do Grok. Grok versus ChatGPT. Compare it. Oh, so there's a massive difference between the two. Obviously, ChatGPT's been around longer than Grok. Let's see all the keywords in ChatGPT. You gotta upgrade. How much does it cost to upgrade? 140 per month. We're gonna pause on that for now. But this is the idea. I'm gonna pause the video right here. Taking some kind of tool that validates ideas, finds markets, finds opportunities, thinks of, generates all the problems that those people are dealing with, then generates a bunch of